Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can send stickers on WhatsApp. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step that you need to follow is to open WhatsApp and you need to select any of your contacts. So I'm going to select my contact. Okay, so then you need to click on the message and click on the emoji icon, and here you need to click on the third option in the bottom, and here you can find different stickers. You can select any sticker according to your choice. So let me select stickers from here. So I'm going to select this one. So you can see that I am sending different stickers. So this is a process by which you can send stickers on WhatsApp, and if you want you can set stickers here also. You can find different stickers. So this is the process by which you can send stickers on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.